Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect a Bose portable home speaker to your Wi-Fi networks. So in order to do this, first make sure that your device is enabled and the light glows on amber. To actually do it, hold the volume down button and the play button at the same time until they are glowing in amber like this. Now download the Bose Music App on your device, a smartphone device. In this case I'm using Android. Open it. You'll need to create an account. I already have an account, so I'm logged in. Now let's set up a new product. Here go for speakers and soundbars. It should instantly find your Bose portable home speaker if it glows on the amber like this. Now let's click add. From here we'll be able to connect it to the Wi-Fi network, so simply enter the password. You can also change to another Wi-Fi if you want, but I'm just gonna use this one. Here you can change the name if you want for it, so let's just do it like Bass Monster, save it. Allow others to add Bass Monster, because that's now its name, to their accounts, and no thanks. Here you can get any music services, and I'm gonna skip that. Click OK. And from here the device is ready and set up on the app, and you're connected it to the Wi-Fi. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.